Welcome back to our Motivational Routine channel. Today we're diving into the 7 keys to a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a strong and loving partnership? Let's explore some important factors that can make or break a relationship. The first key is effective communication, where open and honest dialogue is crucial. Expressing your feelings and needs in a respectful manner can strengthen the bond between you and your partner. Key number 3 is emotional support. It's essential to be there for your partner in times of joy and sadness. Showing empathy and understanding goes a long way in fostering a healthy emotional connection. Being supportive of each other's goals and dreams is our 4th key. Encouraging your partner to pursue their passions and offering assistance when needed creates a strong partnership. Now, let's talk about key number 5, quality time. Setting aside dedicated time for each other strengthens the emotional bond. Make sure to engage in activities you both enjoy and actively listen to one another during these moments. The 6th key is maintaining individuality within the relationship. Remember that each person brings unique qualities to the table, and it's important to foster personal growth and identity. Finally, our 7th key is conflict resolution. Disagreements are natural, but it's how you handle them that matters. Approach conflicts with empathy, active listening, and a willingness to find a compromise. These are the 7 keys to a healthy and fulfilling relationship, and by implementing them, you can create a strong and lasting bond with your partner. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay happy and build those healthy relationships.